How's it going, everyone? Welcome to the channel. My name is Anthony Corns. So December is fast approaching. It's only a couple days away, and I have been conned by some buddies of mine to do what is called a Vlogmas. So if you don't know anything about Vlogmas is basically posting a video each day up until Christmas, I guess until the entire month of December. So I'm going to go ahead and accept this challenge. I'm sure it's going to be difficult to try to stay consistent, but I'm going to try to stay as consistent as possible. So basically what I wanted to do in this video is share my process of how I'm going to prepare for this Vlogmas using a free tool that you can download. Oh, actually not download. It's a web-based. So it's a free tool where you can manage all of your projects and maybe some video ideas, and it's called Asana. Asana is a web-based project management tool, and I currently use it to manage my personal products and also some products for my clients. So I'm going to walk you through what that looks like. It's free, like I said, easy to use. There are some features that you can access if you upgrade, but I tend to stick with just the free option because those have the features that I need. So let's go ahead and take a look at what this program looks like, and click over to my desktop. Okay, so this is Asana's website here, asana.com. So if you were to click try for free, it will bring you over to this screen here. Try Asana for free. You put in your email address and click try for free, and it'll send you a verification email, and you'll click verify, and it'll bring you over to this screen here. Well, it will first ask you for your full name, and then it will ask you what kind of work you do. So you can click that drop down menu and you can select which option based on what your work experience is. I can't remember which one I selected. I think I selected IT because I do a lot of IT work as well. But if you are a content curator, you can probably do something like design or marketing or something like that. So we're just going to go ahead and click design just for the sake of this video. And so as you can see, it kind of brings you up some different templates, if you will, of some different options of what projects that you can create. So you have your spreadsheets, you have your boards and cards, you have visual timelines, you have pin notes and to-do lists, things like that. But there's a lot of different ways you can create and display your projects. So right here it says, let's set up our first project. And I'm not going to show you this. I'm actually going to bring you, let me slide my my personal Asana over here, and I'm going to show you guys what my personal Asana looks like. Okay, so as you can see, I have a couple personal and client projects in here. I only have 3 for now, but this is what your home screen will look like over here. And you have your tasks, you have inbox, you can receive messages from team members, you can add team members. I have 2 teams set up right now. So you can create a project and assign team members to those projects, and you guys can collaborate there and kind of connect with each other and whatnot. So right now I have a project created called YouTube Video Ideas. So in here, I have this on the board view. So I can see my to-do list, I can see what's in progress, and as you can see, I have my complete list, and I have one project complete, which is the Shure MV7 review, which I did a couple days ago. So if you wanted to, you could go here and select list view, and it will show you a breakdown and just a complete list. Like I said, I was using the board view. That's what the board view looks like. You can add a background if you wanted to. I believe timeline is an upgraded feature. It just shows everything based on a specific timeline. Calendar view, if you wanted to view everything by a specific date, which would be great if you're going to be using this for Vlogmas. You can kind of see laid out what you are going to be planning for each day. Dashboard, that's upgraded feature. I'm not really sure what that is. I have to dive more into that. and you have your progress tab, and that just shows you what you have in progress. I don't have anything in progress right now. Your forms view, collect information for teams they need with forms. And you have your more tab, which shows conversation and files that may have been uploaded. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to home, and I'm going to go to new project, and you can see I can choose based off a template. I can import a spreadsheet. So if I go to choose template, it gives you some basic ideas of what you may be needing your project for. So I have web design process, web production process, things like that. I'm going to select blank template for now. Let me blank project, sorry. And what I can do is I can set my project name. So I'm going to set it to Vlogmas. I hope I spelled that right. And I'm assigning it to me. That's my team's name. And I want to do it on the board view. So create project. And here we are. This is our Vlogmas project. And so I can add my to-do list. So let's say I want to, let's go ahead and edit task name. So let's say my first video, I wanted it to be about how to live stream. So how to live stream. And let's say I wanted to, I'm looking forward. Let's just click on here, and I am looking for the due date. Okay, here we go. I overlooked it. So let's say I wanted to make this due for December 1. Okay, so now that is due on wow, December 1st is Tuesday. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's say I want to add a new task, and I want to so let's say how to use an ATEM Mini, which is a capture card if you didn't know. So let's click that, and let's set a due date for that. And let's say I want to set that for December 2nd. Okay, so now let's go take a look at our calendar view. And then of course we want to switch that to December. Okay, so now if you look at the calendar view, you can see what videos or what projects you have coming up for the month. And you can kind of, if you continue going through here, and I think you can add I'm sure you can add a task in here. Yes, you can. So if you type, you can type in there, right in there, and you can type what your upcoming project for that date may be. But I like to go to the board view first and just continue to add tasks to the to-do list, and then adding the date. And then once I'm done with that particular project, I can check it off as done right here, or I can even go further as to move it to in progress, or I can move it to complete. And if I go back to calendar view, it will show me checked off as this project is complete. All right, so that's basically how I use this tool. Hopefully this can help someone out who is possibly planning on doing Vlogmas. Diana Gladley also produced a very nice detailed kit for ideas and things like that, where you can write down, and she also gave you some details of some ideas that you can use. I'm not good with paper stuff and writing things down, so this is a better tool for me to kind of see everything in detail, and I don't have to figure out where did I put that paper. So like I said, hope that helps somebody. If you're planning on doing this Vlogmas thing, like I said, I'm trying to stick to it as best as I can, but hope this helps. All right, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.